Hi Amy, I wanted to go ahead and review, while we had this time, the output of the data analysis that you had me working on. For this project, I chose to create a Shiny app. It's an app in R that I think will be very useful for this project as well as other projects when in the phases of data analysis, especially when we're presenting our results to clients. In this example, I'm just using the training data that we had, and I'm presenting it here in a scatter plot. And as you can see, here in this scatter plot, it does not yet have a regression line or a fit line. So one useful aspect of this particular Shiny app is that I can add a method of fit line smoothing. So here it's set on a default of none, but you could also choose the general linear model, just LM or Loesch. And when you do choose Loesch, then it presents a slider bar. Please excuse my dogs, they just came home, if you hear them in the background. So, and here you can set the amount of smoothing. I know you're probably wondering what Loesch is, and it's a locally weighted smoothing option. It's a technique that's used in regression, and it helps to see relationships when the data is kind of, I don't want to say unclear, but if you look, see when I use the 0.3 method, then this line of best fit is pretty jagged. And then if I increase it, then it becomes smoother, just as the name applies. And then, of course, to a very smooth line if I move the slider all the way up to 0.9. And then additionally, another feature here is that you could enter a title. Here I'm just entering the Loesch smoothing method or Loesch smoothing, and you see it brings up the title here. So the x-axis and the y-axis are labeled with the variables. So I think that this is going to be a great way for us to present our data when we meet with the client, and let me know what you think.